Hey, boys and girls, can you see how our canned critter friends are all patiently waiting?
No, we're getting ready to open the can. Open the can! Open the can! Yay! Oh,
We will definitely be opening this can, and we will all be getting to meet a wonderful new friend. Can you guess who? A sea otter. Now, boys and girls, and everyone who may be watching from around the world, I understand how excited you all must be about opening this can. But before we open up this can we all learn something today?
No, I don't want to learn anything. I want to open the can.
Flappy, learning makes you smarter. Don't you want to be smarter?
I'm already smart. I don't need to be any smarter.
Oh, Flappy, I think it's good to get smarter. Yeah, Flappy, I think it's good to get smarter.
Yay! But I don't want to get smarter.
Flappy, what do you think is bad about getting smarter?
Your brain will grow too big and it will explode.
And who told you that, Flappy?
Sally the skunk told me.
Just 'cause somebody says it's true, does that make it true?
It depends.
What does it depend on, Flappy?
The day of the week.
The day of the week?
Yeah.
Now, which day of the week did Sally the skunk tell you that your brain would explode if you got too smart?
Wednesday.
Now, what about Wednesday do you feel makes things said by people true?
Wednesday is my lucky day. On Wednesday, Flappy is right about everything.
Well, today is Wednesday. Can you guess my favorite color?
I can't see color.
Alright, Flappy, what is my favorite type of grass?
Bluegrass.
I'm sorry to say, Flappy, that is not true. My favorite grass is not bluegrass, but it's alfalfa.
That can't be right. Flappy always gets everything right on Wednesday.
Well, Flappy, are you sure it was on a Wednesday that Sally told you that if you got too smart, your brain would explode?
Yeah.
Are you sure it was on a Wednesday, Flappy? 'Cause I remember that you and Maury went to the forest to try to find a Sasquatch last Wednesday. Are you sure you talked to Sally on that day?
I didn't see Sally in the forest that day.
Maybe you got it mixed up with another day.
Yeah.
So, Flappy, could it have been another day, maybe?
Yeah.
So, because it wasn't on a Wednesday that Sally the skunk told you that your brain would explode if you got too smart, could it be possible then what she said could not be true?
Yeah.
So, would it then be a bad thing then for you to get smarter?
No.
So, would you then be willing to learn something new today?
Yeah.
Alright, so here are some sea otter facts. Sea otters are a keystone species, which means they have a significant effect on their environment. These mammals live and maintain kelp forests along the shallow waters of North America's Pacific coast, Russia, and Japan. Sea otters can dive up to 100 meters, which is 330 feet, while foraging for their food on the seafloor. Their diet consists mostly of shellfish. Besides primates, sea otters are one of the few mammals that use tools. They will use small rocks to pry open their food. It is not rare to see two sea otters hold hands or blanket themselves in kelp. This is a preventative measure that keeps them from drifting away from one another and their habitat while they are sleeping. Remember, if you see any sea otters in the wild, do not go near them. Treat them with respect and be careful. Are you all ready for the opening of the can?
Yay! I want to open the can.
Whose turn do you think it is today?
Not mine, but I want to open the can.
Well, thank you for recognizing that, Flappy.
I think it's Murray's turn.
Well, Horsey went last time, and Flappy went the time before he did, and I went the time before Flappy did, and Moody went the time before I did. So I think it's Maury's turn this time.
You're right, Kobe, but I want us all to open the can together. Well, thank you so much for sharing your turn with everyone, Maury.
Open the can! Open the can! Four best friends opening the can, and they're having the funnest time of their lives.
Thanks everyone for helping me out that can. You are all so kind. Well, I was swimming in the ocean with my friend who's a manatee, and all of a sudden he had a horrified look on his face, and then I spun around, and then all of a sudden I found myself inside this can, and oh, it was just so horrible. Oh, it was so horrible and dark. But the good thing is that I managed to take a long nap, and now I feel so much stronger. I feel I could swim for a very long time. Maury? Hey, Maury, is that you? Maury! Oh, it's so good to see you again, my dear friend. Oh, Maury, I have not seen you in a long time. Oh, it's so good to see you. Did you get caught in the can too? Oh, that must have been so terrible. I'm so sorry it happened to you too. Are these all your friends? Oh, hi, everybody. Um, my, I'm Oliver the Sea Otter. And you know what I say to everyone? A friend of Maury is a friend of mine. And I mean it. So this is Flappy the Bald Eagle, and this is Kobe the Coyote, and this is Horsey the Donkey. It's a pleasure to meet you all and become friends with you all. Would you want to hear a song for you and all the boys and girls and all the grown-ups who may be listening from all around the world? Oh, a song? I haven't heard one in a long time. Oh, I would love to hear one.
There was a cat sea otter in my house. There was a cat sea otter in my house. There was a cat sea otter in my house, and we finally got him out. And he's now so happy swimming about.
So boys and girls, and maybe all the grown-ups who may be watching from all around the world, thank you all so much for watching this video, and thank you all so much for being a part of this magical experience. Thank you all so much. I hope you guys have a beautiful day or a beautiful night, depending on where you are. Thank you all so much. I'll see you on the next one, okay? Bye bye.